Kia ora.
Go on then. You're all right.
Hey there, it's Dave from Trimax Mowing Systems here, and with me I've got Paul. Paul, what's your position here at Trimax Mowing Systems?
Service and warranty.
Awesome.
Yeah.
And we have something that's done a bit of work in front of us. What is this that we've got?
This is an old Striker 150, 11, 12 years old, a little bit worn out, and yeah, rebuilding it, making it good.
Yeah, that's right, that's right.
Yeah.
So Trimax Mowing Systems really prides itself on customer service and after-sales support. So for this customer in particular, it was actually cheaper to bring it back to the factory here and have factory parts cut out with our, what do we call our machine over there?
Laser cutter.
Our laser cutter over
Yep.
there. You'll see some of the footage of that in this video. So coming back to the factory, you get full factory support. So we have blasted this deck down, haven't we, Paul?
Yep, just to find all the really rotten bits, like this bit.
Yep.
So all the wee holes. So yeah.
And then, so we've got it blasted down, we've got our bits cut. What's the process in?
Pretty much cut all the old out, all the rotten, and put in the good. Really, pretty much sums it up.
It does, yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
Factory, factory folded and the way it was when it was made. Really,
That's awesome.
Yeah. We will roll through this thing and we'll put new bearings and new spindle bearings. We'll put new belts and blades.
Yep.
So yeah, we'll do it.
And then this,
gonna,
once we have all that done, this is going to go through to our powder coating team.
It will do. Yep, it'll get properly re-sandblasted and then powder coated, so it'll be better than it was when it was new.
Yeah, that's right. Because our processes have changed. Quite a few years ago, we did painting, and now we do powder coating on all our decks, don't we?
Yep.
What's the advantage of that?
This was a painted deck.
Yep.
Paint's reasonably durable, but not as durable as powder coat. Powder coat is very, very thick, very, very hard.
Yep.
The painting systems have got a lot better.
Yep.
This deck will last twice as long as the old deck used to.
Yeah.
Just being powder coated, and the preparation's a lot better now too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I mean, that's one of the things that we pride ourselves on, is being innovative and trying to bring our mowers up to the latest modern technology.
Yeah.
And it's one of the ways that we do it, don't we?
Everything we do is sandblasted now, so it's got a perfect surface to key into.
Yep.
Yeah, better than this, which is hard nuclear proof. Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
Excellent. All right. Thanks for that, Paul.
No worries at all.
Good work. All right,
you.
everyone. That is the end of part one for the Striker restoration project. If you enjoyed that style of content, make sure you engage with this video. You know all those good things to do. Like, put a comment down below. And while we're talking about the comments section, if you've got an idea around something that you want to see more of behind the scenes at Trimax Mowing Systems, put them in the comments section. I'll personally read them and I'll see what I can get together for you. Until then, take care.